loves, it's Jackie and Jackie's Cooking. And today, my loves, we are going to make a nice little drink, honey. It's my Peachy Creamsicle cocktail, darling. It's so smooth and it's perfect for the summer, honey. So why don't we get to it? My loves, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you can get weekly updates on all of my delicious recipes. Don't forget to like and share. Let everybody know Jackie's Cooking. So, guys, we have some peaches, okay, in the can. If you have frozen, it's fine. You can use that too. Some ice, vodka, that's the star, of course, my vanilla, carnation milk, and some condensed milk. So let's get to this, darling. Oh, and my nutmeg. How could I forget that? So I kicked out my beautiful little blender here by New Wave, and we are going to put in our ice. Okay, I'm using my canned peaches. If you have frozen peaches, that works just as well, especially frozen peaches, but I didn't have any, but I was really craving this drink, so I reached for the one that was in the can. Okay, so you're going to put all that in there. A little splash of vanilla, pure vanilla. We're going to use some carnation milk. Guys, the recipe is in the description box below, okay? Some condensed milk. God, I love this stuff. I love to just stick it in the freezer and just eat it just like that, but anyway. And we're going to use, of course, one of the main stars in this, which is our vodka. Yes, honey, any vodka that you like. If you don't want to use vodka, you want to use something else, go ahead. Okay, but I like vodka. Okay. And guys, this is so smooth. It's just smooth. It's just so nice and creamy in your palate. I love it. Okay, now I am going to put a little bit of nutmeg. Okay, we're going to grate a little bit up in there. Just really adds it. It helps, I don't know, pops out the peach flavor as well. Okay, it's not overly peachy to the top, but just enough. Okay? And guys, this is a drink when you make it. If you have any left over, you could just keep it in the fridge, nice and covered, okay? Okay, so we're going to get this together here so we can start blending our delicious cocktail. And we are going to sip away. You can see I was trying to figure this out with this blender here, but we got it now. Alright, so we're going to blend that nicely, guys, until it's nice and smooth. And who doesn't like something that's cool, refreshing, just nice and smooth in the summertime? You know, this is what I really, and I love peaches too. I just love peaches. One of my favorite fruits. Okay, so I'm just tasting it, guys. So I felt that it needed some more condensed milk, a little bit more sweetness. Again, when you do this, you could adjust this to your liking, okay? I just felt this was perfect for me. If you want to hold back a little bit on the condensed milk, you want this to be stronger, then go ahead. By all means. Okay, and we're going to just blend that up, and we are going to serve it up. Okay, so now we are going to pour this in our delicious glass. Delicious glass, you hear me? Listen, pay me no mind. Delicious glass into our glass. This delicious drink into our glass. And we are going to put on, if you want, you could sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon, which I did, or you could sprinkle a little bit of nutmeg, or you don't have to add nothing on it at all. So guys, please try this. Try this. Let me know what you think. You know, it's summer. We all want something refreshing, cool, satisfying. And this is it for me. You know, I just love it. So enjoy, live life, and stay thirsty, my friend. Enjoy. Bye.